flashback to the massive Messi Mania that swept across Jamaica in the past week. People are up in arms that so many Jamaicans turned up at the National Stadium in Jamaica in their Inter Miami or Argentina or Lionel Messi jerseys, vociferously cheering for the little Argentine in a game against a Jamaican team. But please, context, context, context. This is Lionel Messi we're talking about. One of, if not the greatest player to have ever kicked a football. So the moment itself was no ordinary moment. That turnout at the stadium was never about Jamaican football fans or fans of Cavalier going out to support their team. The vast majority of that overflowing national stadium were only at the stadium to see Lionel Messi. So while under normal circumstances, with a normal player, the frustration would be understandable. These circumstances were not normal. And obviously, Lionel Messi is not a normal player. You understand?